Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today we're at the Klairmont Kollection. I'm excited to be back right here in Chicago, Illinois. The greatest car collection in Chicago is right here. And I'm with the president, Bobby Olson. Bobby, good to see you again.
Nice to see you, Lou.
And we've got an amazing car for you for all of those Mopar fans. This is a one of one. Bobby, what year, make, and model?
So this is a 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger concept car.
Let's go right to our featured attraction as we start to get more details on this one. So right off the bat, you've got this wonderful burgundy color here at the Klairmont Kollection. Keep coming, we'll show you some of this. Bobby, tell me some of the features on the front of this car.
Well, you mentioned the color. It's a maroon metallic.
Maroon metallic.
When you really get close up or see it in the sunlight, you can see the metallic flakes. So on the front end of the car, there was a sportier design, and you can see the rectangular CB headlights, and there are some parallel circular fog lamps that were also inserted. And as you make your way up to the trunk, there's actually, we'll call it a faux induction. So that served for an aesthetics purpose to give it that sporty design of the Dodge Darts that would follow thereafter this prototype.
What's interesting too is they actually look like exhaust tips.
They actually do.
Step back with me for a second. Let's take a look at it from the side.
Now, if you look at the profile of the car, Lou, you could notice that the car is slightly elongated. The roof has been chopped down slightly, and the angle of the windshield has been increased towards the back of the car.
Oh, wow, so we've got the chop top, giving it a sleeker look. We've got these custom rims as well. Just for clarity, I'm going to turn that over so it looks correct, so you can read that properly.
Yeah, and it's adorned with the Goodyear tires.
And the Goodyear rims. And this was part of a collection from Steve Giuliano, who used to have quite a few of the rapid transit cars. And there you could see that bumblebee stripe on the back.
Yep, to add the sporty look. I believe the gas cap is from a Charger.
Okay, yeah, it sure looks like it. And then take a look at the back of this.
Really sleek, really modern, actually almost futuristic.
Yeah,
for that era.
Take a look at this too. Notice you've got that nice upsweep right there. I hope the camera's getting it. I'll try to get you that angle. And the upsweep there, just giving you the back end of it. And as I stand behind it, to give you that look, believe it or not, there's actually some trunk and treats. You actually have to open it. There is no latch on this, and we actually have some trunk and treats for you that you can see this actual car. There was the ad at the time. I'll put that there so you can kind of see the words. But notice just a normal Dodge trunk, no trunk, all fiberglass, one big heavy piece, and we'll close that carefully like so. And back to the car. And we're back. Notice you've got the dual exhaust. And let's open it up. So Bobby, show me how you open this, because the door handles aren't here
Yeah,
normally.
they're actually tucked in, and there's a small button in here, and you got to give it a little bit of a push, but you can see
Look at that.
as much.
Yeah, okay. We'll open
And then
it up.
your interior.
Yeah, do you have that flashlight with you?
Sure, yeah.
Let's just show our interior. We'll give that while Bobby's grabbing that. We're going to just show you the seats.
So they are bucket seats. Yep.
Just shine it right forward there. You can pull back it just a bit.
And then you have the factory installed Hurst shifter. It's a 4-speed.
So right there we've got the right amount of pedals. And here you can see, I'm going to just sit in it for a second.
Sure.
We're going to, there's your steering wheel. Very simplistic dash, nothing complicated. Radio delete, as you see. And no, the all-important 4-speed. Nothing on the far side, no swinger, no Dodge, no nothing like that. on the interior at all. Matter of fact, with the exception of that logo right there, there's nothing here that says that it's a Dodge or a Dart.
Because it was a prototype, again, the radio delete is there, as you mentioned, as well as the car having power steering and power brakes.
And we got the Hearst on the shifter, and the ball there just looks great. Let's open up the hood. Carl, can you help us open up the hood? We got these?
Yeah, pull the pins.
Now this is interesting. Notice the hood is up and the springs are on the inside. If you look in there, you can see the spring inside. No tag there, which would normally be here. Nothing there, being a prototype.
No windshield wipers.
No windshield wipers either. The 344 barrel, the multiple horns, everything done to perfection. A real treat to see this one of one. So come on out to the Klairmont. You'll see those descriptions and the website inside the description of my video. So go to that and you can see where the Klairmont is, and come on down. There's days that it's open to the public, which the last time I was here, it was not open to the public. So come on down and see this.
We are open Wednesday through Sunday.
Wednesday through Sunday.
10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it's Klairmont with a K.
Klairmont with a K, Kollections with a K, and you could see that website in there. Carl, can we fire this one up? Let me just listen to it idle. Can you step on the brakes for a moment? Go ahead, fire that beast.
Let's see that the brake lights.
Oh, he did
All
that.
right.
Let's fire that up again. Give it a rev, Carl. Definitely. All right, we'll shut that down. We can shut that down. Nice rev, by the way. That was a good smile on your face after that rev.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it does sound great. Wow. Well, Bobby, what a great car. What an amazing opportunity. What a great find. What a great find for the museum. Such a treat to come on out again. I hope that we see a lot more of each other. And what a great car here at the Klairmont Collection. Thanks for being on my car story.
Thank you, Lou.